Now we're going to look at using the 860i for mould detection. So you want to, when you're into the thermography app, you want to go into the humidity section. For this to work, you need to connect up the 605i as well. It'll prompt up at the bottom and go, yes, please connect. So again, on the 860i, on the 605i, it will also be flashing green to show that it's connected up to the app. You then want to go into settings, and then you want to make sure that the air temperature and relative humidity have been selected to the 605i, and you can adjust it by just pressing the select probe at the top and then selecting the 860i. Once these have been selected in both of these sections, just go apply configuration. If I go onto the camera view, you can see that the camera view has changed from when looking at a normal thermography image. It's gone into this traffic light system. The way that the traffic light system works is that red is your high risk area of mould, orange and yellow is your medium risk, and your green area is your low risk. You can see at the bottom of the screen here, it will actually fluctuate with your relative humidity and also your temperature, the air temperature that's in the room. So it's giving you the most accurate readings at the time. When you do take the photograph, it will save all these details as well, which can be viewed on your report. So I've just gone to take an image. To take your image, you just press the camera button at the bottom, and then just here, there's a little circle with the image that you've just taken. When you click into the image here, you get a few different details about it. So you can actually go into add a customer, so then you can save it to the customer that you're already at, and then just click import to bring all the data. You can also write a comment, so whether you want to write sort of a bit more detailed report straight away, or just write a few notes for you then to go back and tweak at a later date, you can do that here. Once you've written your comments, just press save, and these will be saved to the image. This means when you do a report later on, anything that you've written relating to this image will be saved and remembered. You don't have to enter this on the actual report itself, it's already done for you. And then as well, you'll have different information about on the probe there, so it'll tell you sort of, in this case I've got the spot with most surface humidity on and the least, so it'll give me those readings, and it'll also give me the temperature of the atmosphere as well, and it'll also be time and date stamped for you as well. So as well, in the thermography section, you've also got the gallery. So in here will be all the images that you've saved. For example, so say you've already been going around a property, but you've either forgotten to put in some notes or forgot to put it to a customer. You can do this retrospectively. So you can click onto the image that you want, and it works exactly the same way as it was if you were doing it at the time. You can just add your customer in, and then you can write your comments as well and save them. And that means when you come to generate the report after you've finished either writing up your notes in a more detailed fashion or assigning them to customers if you've forgotten, everything will be pulled through and ready for you. So when you go around the property, you would take various different photographs, and then you can create a report at the end. So the best way to create a report is when you go onto thermography. If you then go into report generation, you can search by your customers if there's a particular one that you want to find. So in this case, we're going to go in customer 34 and apply, and it will show you all the images taken and saved under that customer. All you need to do is select the images that you want to put into the report, and then go generate your report. So on here, it will have your company logo and your details. It'll have your customer details, the date, the instrument that was used, and the serial numbers, and then it will also have the pictures that you've taken, and any notes that you've written will be copied across onto this report. And then you can just email this off either to yourself to view on a PC later, or send it straight to the customer straight away.